Hello friends, welcome back to ReactJS tutorial for beginner in Laravel 10. Last video we will discuss how to install ReactJS and how to install Laravel. So in this video we can continue we need to print like a hello words. Suppose you are going to your projects and do you want to refresh the projects like here. So we need to show like a hello words. I already started my server. I already everything I have started like ReactJS. Also I opened my terminals and also here you can find out my codes. You can see it here. Okay. So I can show you how to print hello reacts. In this video, in this series, you are new, to please subscribe and please press the bell icon. So whatever content we are uploading, so you always get the notification, you can start immediately new thing learning. Suppose do you want to buy any script, so just go to our official website errorsolutioncode.com and you can buy any script. Suppose here you can see it here. Okay. So in this video we can show just like a hello react, so you know like react.js working not working. Last video we installed done, so we need to check here like builds create after working, without builds how to working. I can show you everything step by step, and we have done like a lots of command inside last videos. Okay, so let's start and we can show you. So first of all we need to create a one file like a hello react.js. So why we need to create a file? Suppose I am going to config.blade.php, so you can see it like last video we did like resources/js inside app.js. So where is the calling? So you can see it here like resources/js inside app.js. So we need to call our file like a react file, we need to call here. So just you can create a new file like a new file, and here you can provide like a file name like hello, whatever file name do you want to write, but just I put here like a hello react, let's make R capital, so and JHX because he is an extension like a JSX for the reacts. Okay, so just say create a like this files. After this file you need to call inside app.js. So let's create first npm run dev, so we know what we are doing, so you can find out here results. So we need to put like one command npm run dev, and after you can press the okay, sorry, is like wrong commands, so just npm run dev. After you can see it your like what are you changing, what's the file you are changing, so you can find out everything. So you can check here is working very well and no issue. I refresh the page, so you can see can't found any issue, and also you can see it here like everything is refreshing proper way. So let's import the file, you can see is connected. Okay, now we need to connect our hello react, so just copy paste above like imports, and you can put here like a hello react. I can tell you one thing, suppose you are using like old Laravel, like an old version about the react, so here you need to write like a require, but right now new Laravel, new react.js, so you always use like a import. Okay, so I save this file, so you can see it here like a refreshing, you see. So reload working very well, you can see it, and just go back and you can see can't found any errors. Okay, so now we need to write simple one command, means simple test code how to work react.js. So here we need to add like a two library, like we need to import two library. Import this one I already installed, like you can go to like white.config.js, so you can see this library we installed, this library we need. Also we need like a react library because it's a node.js inside we have did this reason react from like a react. Okay, just you can put like okay react, you can make r is a small. Second library we can do it like a same thing, import, and which library like this one, like sorry plugin, sorry not this one, latest library I show you in last command. Let me show you the latest command, because last command you not add, so you need to add for this command like npm installed react latest ReactDom. This library we need to add. Suppose you are not did in last video, so just you can go back and you can put here your command like npm install react at the rate latest react/dom at the rate latest. This command always need, because of this is the new Laravel and new react.js, this is the reasons. Okay, so we need to put here like a ReactDom is very simple, ReactDom, and here you are provide like his plugin like what is the plugin name, React-DOM, and after we need to write like a client. This is the library, you can see it here, you see ReactDom. and client is a new version about the React.js. This reason do you want to add like a slash clients. Okay, so this is the two library we have import done. Now we need to write our React.js code. What we do you want to report means return. So export default. After we need to write functions, and function inside we need to return function. After we need to write like a function name, because so what is the function name? Whatever file you are created, same like Laravel inside you are created like file like here I can go app inside model, so user, so you can see same thing you type like users. So same thing you need to do inside React. Whatever file name you are created, same thing you can provide. Here is the function name, like what is the function name here, like a hello reactor. Okay, and here do you want to make a return. So right now I return like a simple words like a inside h1 tag hello and a react. Okay, and h1, let's say h1 save. Okay, let's go to browser. So you can see it's working very well, but can't found because we have not provided data. So where we can provide data? Inside a welcome.js file. So first we need to provide data. So we need to create one variable like const. After you can whatever variable name do you want to, like you can do it like I can do like container containers. Sometimes I need to check containers is equal to document dot get element id. This is the, I think you know, like JavaScript code, so you can understand by id, and here you can type your id. So this id means your welcome.blade.php. inside you need to provide one id, like here you can do like a div and just press enter, and here you can provide like a id app. So inside we need to add like a h1 code. So let's save these files and just go back. So update done, no any issue. Also you can see it here is a no issue. Okay, so now last two lines meaning remaining like a React DOM. inside we need to create a roots, and after we need to provide a root return like a hello React. So let's do like means a root we need to render. So first of all we need to create another variable like const. Inside we can do root is equal to dom react dom dot create root, and we need to provide a this container. Okay, last thing is available like root dot render. This is like same like you are doing inside Laravel inside like routes. Same thing here you need to do like some specific syntax. This is the syntax always need, so just you need to know about that like otherwise so how you can how I can explain, because this is a simple syntax you need to do always, and you can make like a semicolons. Okay, let's go back again. We can check is showing not showing. So target container DOM react is something error there is not working. Let's go back. React DOM create a root inside a container root dot render hello react. So this is the variable name perfect, and I just make rename and I just put here perfect no issue. Content document get element id. So I hope spelling mistake, sometimes spelling mistake generate, this is the reason. Document react dom create root, sometimes spelling mistake generate this reasons. Okay, and const root dot render. So let's copy my other codes and I can try like in spelling mistake, not spelling mistakes, and save. Let's see return hello reacts, and here is a react slash dom and slash client and react dom. So I think it's good. Let's go save these files and just go. Okay, why is generate the error? Because everything is good. Problem about we have not saved like welcome.blade.php file. Just I save now and I just go back, and here is the page that refreshing. You can see it like hello react. So meaning about like React.js code working very well, no issue now. Suppose I am going to back again to terminal, so you can see it. Suppose I am going to back again like our coding part, and I can put here like a hello React, and I can change directly welcome, and I save. So you can see automatic update, and you can find out. Suppose I can make another s1 tag and I save. So generate the error. But why? Because of we need to use like a section. We need to use anything in one section. React.js not provide directly, you can do it like this. You can do, so it's working very well. Let's clear. You see, like a section, it's section inside whatever do you want to type, like this possible, like this. You see, suppose I can put like this section, so also generate the error because of we need always one section, so it's impossible to do. So whatever you create, so like section you can create section inside whatever code your HTML, you can type it here, and after you can see it here. Okay, so close, clear, and it's working very well. You can see it here. You see, hello React, welcome. Let's remove React. Okay, now our next point, we need to create a build. Suppose you are need to upload this is our simple website like hello React inside your server. So we always need a builds. Without build, to how you can upload? Right now, to you refresh, so like this is the here working like this here. This reason you can upload. You can see error generates, so automatic showing the errors. Okay, this is the also here showing the error, so don't worry about that. I just make clear. So we need to upload inside server, so we need to create a one build. Npm run builds, and after you can press the enter, so taking few seconds, and after is a build created. So you can see it here. So just taking few seconds and build created. Where is the build created? We have already provided a path in last video, like you can go to whiteconfig.js. so here is a build created. You see, build out directory builds. So just go back and refresh the page. Oh my god, it is not working. Why it is not working? Because of this file is not found. But you can go to like here builds assets, inside this file available, but why is not found? Because of this file, like manifest.json file, it is not working. So what we need to do, this is the one line code do you want to write inside a bootstrap, inside .app.php into go, I need to put here is one line code. After that works, so just you can use like where is the one line codes. I will just copy paste, I forget 1 minute. I can back again these codes, let's, okay, here there you see app dot use public path base path is equal to null. So just copy this code, otherwise cut code. Your side, whatever you need to always type, but my side I just cut and copy. And let's make some zoom out, and I can put here like where I can put bootstrap inside app.js, inside I can put here, and I save this file. And after I go back again and refresh the page, so you can see it here, the hello React working very well, because of before is a path not found. Okay, now I'll run again command npm run dev. So you can take a few seconds, just wait again, and I go back again and I change the file. So it is working, not working, because of I need to show. I save. So you see it is not working. Here also is updating, not working, because of we have a create build time, we have added this line. So once we can work live time, always need to make comment. Once you can create a builds, we need to make uncomment, because of you need to create a builds outside of public folder. Suppose you can't create outside of public folder, you don't want to remove like index file inside a public folder, so you don't want to do like this. Suppose you need to remove like a public folder inside everything, and you need to move outside, so always need this file, not remove, always need this line, not file, this line, like use public path inside a base path. Let's save, and I just go to back again react.js, and I can do like dd, and you can see it now working, not working. Let's refresh the page, just taking few seconds again. So you see working. Now once you can refresh after, let's add like this, and I save, so you can see working. Suppose I can put this file again inside app.js, sorry, not here, like where is the file app.js, and I can make uncomment again, and I save, and I can remove this one, and I save, I refresh the page. Okay, I save, I refresh the page, so you can see it's not working. You see, so always do you want to do like I explained like this, just you can make uncomment. Once you can work like live mode, And once do you want to create builds, so you can make like a uncomment. Suppose you are working live wise, so you can make a comment code. Okay, so this is the reason, no any reason. So right now I can hello react welcome, and I save and I just go back and I can create a builds, and after I can close this tutorial because you can understand how to create a hello words inside react.js. Okay, it's taking few seconds more and build is created. After you can go back and refresh the page, you can see it here. You can find out like a hello react welcome. Because of just go to app.js files and I make a uncomment and save these files and just go back, refresh the page, so you can see it like a hello react welcome, whatever you are write here. Okay, so I hope you are clear in this tutorial like how to write like a hello words react inside a react.js tutorial inside a like Laravel. And do you have a question, so please write a comment. Do you want to like this video, so please like, and do you want to see like this video more, so please subscribe our channel and please press the bell icon, so whatever content we are uploading, so you always get the notification and you can start immediately new thing learning. Next video I will show you how to make a structures like a here to like sample file. We need to do like a 3 or more file, like you need to see like a components inside. We need to provide like our header file, footer file, sidebar file, and our main file like a home file, about file, contact us file. Like this file we need to provide. So how we can do, I will show you in next video. And this time thank you for watching error solutions.